Want some treats? Want them? I'm not gonna give Darla that much because she is pregnant. Yeah, Mongoose, you can trust me. Oh, well, never. Anyway, kind of part 2 of Darla is pregnant. It's gonna be way shorter because, as you can see, Max is back from like 100 years. Darla. Okay. He just likes to say, gosh, here you go. It's a treat. From over there. No more treats for them. No more treats for them. Just way too much already. What? You wanna play? You wanna play? Come on, yeah. Yeah, boy, that's good. Play. I have been playing with Brambles this leash. I don't know why. Poor Brambles, to be honest. Why am I doing this? Come on. Obviously, you know. Set. Darla looks very pregnant right now, as you can see. Excuse me. This is you see Mongoose over there. You see the cats dying for their treats. They're going crazy. Bro, I'm not gonna give it to you until there's something else for you. Bro, you're meowing too much. You're meowing too much. Okay, good. You stopped meowing, so that's good. I just give you treats because you stopped meowing. You stopped meowing, so that's why I give you treats. That's why I give you treats. That's why I give you treats, man. That's why I give you treats, bro. Mongoose is kind of confident. Oh God, he's coming out. I'm admitting it. He doesn't trust me fully, but at least he allows me to pet him off him. It's kind of, you know. What did I say? I said I would give them no more treats, and now I did. Okay, that's kind of weird. They're terrified of Max for some reason. I don't know why. Like what? So he's very glossy fur. I think it's well taken care of, as you can see. Approaching him. Oh, it's okay. Like he just said, "Oh, it's okay," and then he just cuts off. Anyway, back to the discussion that Darla is pregnant. Okay, there she is. Darla, you're eating too many treats, Darla. Darla. Hello. Hello. Look. Darla's. I'm gonna see by play. Play means trombone. I'm gonna use pickles because that's just mean to just use brambles. I'm just gonna do the toy like that. And maybe you come, I don't know. Bro, I'm literally so far away from you. I'm literally actually so far away from the toy, to be honest. From the leash. Why are you afraid? Yeah, good boy. You direct it. Someone else. Darla, why are you hiding? You're not shy. Oh, she's trying to stalk her prey. That's why. That's why she's trying to stalk her prey, and she got it. And now she don't got it. Anyway, let's see. Obviously, no one can trust the Alex Brine. Oh, Alex Brine. What the hell? Well, I am Herobrine's worker with whatever it is. I don't know. I thought you were Herobrine's girlfriend. No. Stop making those jokes. I am not Herobrine's girlfriend. Gosh, bro. Mongoose is gone now. Mongoose is always terrified of everything. But they are literally gonna, I know they're gonna come back like 5 more times at least. I'm not gonna record every video of them doing that, but they might come in when I'm doing the adventures of Max the garden cat. Hello. So yeah. This is the end of part 2. Darla is pregnant, so subscribe to our channel and bye. Watch out for Max the garden cat. You know, let's see. And Mongoose is coming back.